Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the login not available error on WhatsApp. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak, WhatsApp may not be able to sign you in. Next, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Then try login in again. If that doesn't work, you can go to your app store and check if there is any update available for WhatsApp. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may be causing the error. If that doesn't work, you can go to your phone's settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone storage, and now you can search WhatsApp. Now you can tap Offload app. This can sometimes solve your problem. Finally, restart your iPhone and try login in again. That's it for this video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.